So this young man Lewis has come back in for a regroom, got married, all went very well, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. So, been away, where'd you go?
Lanzarote.
Lanzarote, yeah. Was it 7 days or?
3 nights.
How many?
3 nights.
Oh, just 3 nights, was it?
Yeah.
So when's 3 nights? So when's the next baby due? That's March then, isn't it?
Nah, definitely not. Isn't it a 4-hour flight? At least.
4-hour flight with no tomato sauce for a British person.
Yeah, I know.
What's going on? We finished bashing Ryanair now?
Yeah.
Just wait for the lawsuit. This is not Hair for All UK. Look at that.
That's better.
That's better. So Lewis in for his first regroom. Lewis is attached by tape. Right, so what are they called? These things? What are they called?
Tweezers.
Tweezers, yeah. So tweezers, always good to have tweezers once you've done an attachment, just to tap down the adhesive or the tape, like down here there. Look, looks excellent. Right, Lewis. So tell your new wife that she's lost her tweezers to your hairdo.
Yeah.
Moving forward. So look at you. Yeah, that's very good. Alton Towers in here, mate.